God damn it, I wasn't recording. Took my bitch. How dare you? I don't know. I don't play chess. I really don't know what even the characters do. I know the pawns move 1 or 2. I know the horse moves in an L. But the other ones I just don't know. I'm glad this game tells me how to play. You're fucking stupid. You could have killed my damn horse there. You can't now. You can't now. You can't now. You could have with that pawn. If you would have moved that pawn in front of that horse, you could have killed it, but you didn't.
Wasn't really paying attention, to be honest.
Sweet victory. No, what? What do you mean I can't do that? What do you mean I can't do that? I can do that. Oh, I have to. Oh, pawns can't go 1, but they can go 2 forward or diagonal. Ah, I do not know that. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, that still don't make any sense, but you know, it is what it is. Oh, you killed my other one. Damn, fuck. Oh, what? Dude, I don't understand chess. What the fuck does this... This shit don't make no sense. You know what's funny is we killed the same pawns already. I mean the same.
Yeah, I know. We kind of did the same thing.
What? I don't fucking get it. You can only go 1 or diagonal with a pawn. I'm dumbass. No. No. No? Can I... That's fine. Oh, I don't want to do that. I'm gonna just move back. Sneaky. Sneak. Yeah, I ain't scared. You think I'm scared? I ain't scared. Do it. Do it. You ain't got no balls. Do it. No balls. He's got no balls. Yeah, okay, just figure it out. Figure it out. You'll get it there. You'll get there eventually. Ooh. Nah. Psych, bitch. You take... Ooh. Ooh. Wait until I come after. Wait until I come out. Wait until I get over there on the other side of that chessboard. You just wait. You just wait, motherfucker. You just wait. Can't do that. Can't do that. I can't do that. Oh, you can't do that. Can I kill you? Nope. Can't do that. I guess I gotta do that. Move it. Come on. Move it. Move it where I could get you. Move it where I could get you. Nope. I can't do that. I can't do that. I can't do that. What the fuck? I can't do... What the fuck? Dude, I hate chess. I fucking hate it. Bro, I don't understand. I think you're cheating. You're cheating. Nope. 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 I think you're cheating, sir.
That's so funny.
Okay, now I can't move my pawn forward 1. I can only do diagonal. Oh, is it forward at the beginning? Then wait, I don't get it. Why can't
it's diagonal only when you're taking a piece.
Oh, I can't move forward. Oh, so you can't move forward. You have to move diagonal if you're taking a piece. But if somebody's blocking you, you can't go forward. I get it.
Yes.
That makes sense. Excuse you. I ain't gonna let no peasant get me. Wait, hold on. Can I? Nope. Ha! You can't do it. You can't do it. You can't because you're a pawn. You little peasant. Oh, well. Nope. Oh wait, no. Oh, but you can't move back. Can you move back with a pawn?
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's right, peasant. You don't know how to do. You don't know how to go backwards. You only know how to go forwards, you stupid peasant. Oh wow, but it's not gonna let me move that piece. See, through some of these pieces, it don't let me move. You are a bitch. Fuck you. No. No. Fuck you. Stay away. No. Oh my god, I am so fucked. I need to make a drastic decision. Oh, that was a dumbass decision. Oh, but now I got you. Oh, but now I got you. Oh, dude, this is gonna be a close game. No. No. Oh, no, you got... Oh, this is some bull... Wait, no, never mind. Wait, I won?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Dude, I almost moved another piece because I thought I could not move that one. I'm not even kidding.
That was funny. I gave it to you.
No, you didn't. You just lied.
Yeah, I knew my queen would be taken if I did that.
Oh, you just lying.
I just need to complete the task. I just completed all my weekly tasks now. Thanks to that.
Cool. You look like a fucking weirdo. What? You have a hand grabbing your junk.
What the fuck was that?
It's a chick behind you, laughing at trust in something. Whatever this lobby is.
Murkoff.
Yeah. No fear.
You ready or?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm gonna be down on Pinocchio real quick. Alright, where you at?
You are in control.
Oh, if you want to play Texas Chainsaw with Justin, we can too.
We could. He's gonna want to play Borderlands.
Oh man, fuck Borderlands. I don't have that game. Let alone it would take probably a damn decade to download, knowing them. It took fucking forever to download the other ones. You're not even in your seat, dog. You're not even in your seat.
I am in my seat.
No, I'm gonna send you look at Messenger. I'm gonna send. You're not in your seat, dog. Look at this. Dude, bruh. Just a few more inches over and you would have been in your seat. But you're not in your seat, dog.
That's funny. That's funny.
Fucking dumbass. Doesn't even know how to sit in a seat. Oh, man. Dude.
That's funny. I've never seen that happen in this game yet.
I cannot teach you. I can only offer fear
You got me fucking cracking up.
and rage. Let these show you a path to enlightenment.
Oh, man.
Crush and destroy the toys, and we will let you out.
I'll post this on YouTube, that way you could crop it out, and then that way you can like post like a image of it or something or whatever.
Really?
It's like I know you're gonna make a video, and like you at least need that part of it. That way people understand. Ooh. I don't know if I agree with what they're doing to me. I didn't sign a consent form.
Of course you don't agree. I don't think anyone would agree.
I did not sign a consent form. Where's my lawyer?
Yes, you did actually.
Where's
Yeah,
my
that
lawyer?
was the. It was like the whole intro of the game, bro. Was
Oh, now
signing your
you're in
life
your
away.
seat. Wow, you popped in your seat and then popped right back out, you lying sack of shit.
Hey, I'm just a magician.
Okay, time to die.
This way.
I'm just saying.
Bro, you should, like, not die. You should live.
I'm gonna need you to stop talking like you have a dick in your mouth. Like, how are we gonna do anything?
Shit.
Oh, what? Oh, no, that was a bomb! Ooh.
Why'd you walk into that?
Well, I didn't know what it was until it was too late, man. Until it was too late. You not understand? I don't play this game every day, alright? I don't know a fucking glowing duck meant a bomb. Why'd you hide? Oh god! Oh god, that's why! Oh god, that's why! Oh god! Ah! Oh my god, he's after me! He sees me! Oh god, no. No, no, no! He didn't see me! He didn't see me! I was crouched behind a forklift! He walked right in front of me, man! Right in front of me! He did not see me! Oh my god! Holy shit! Bro, where do we go? Because I might lost. He didn't see me though. Oh, hey Brandon, he's coming back towards you. Near you, but not near you. Yeah. I don't know. What are we looking for? What is our objective?
Extinguish barrels and I don't know.
Oh no! Oh, that was a. Oh God, that's the dude.
Wait, is he back?
Oh no, he totally. Oh God, he sees me. Dude, bro, I'm so. Oh my God, I'm so fucking gonna die. I don't know how to turn my light on. You just burned me.
No, that was a bad guy. I shut the door.
No. You threw something at you. I don't believe you. I don't know what I have in my hand, but I hope it's a bomb. I'm gonna blow your ass up. Bro, I'm so fucking gonna die.
There you go.
Wait, oh, do you have to light it with this thing? No. What
You
the
gotta
fuck do I have in my hand?
water.
It's an on and off.
Oh, dude, is that like a tracker you got? Or is that your stun thing?
I don't know, it says on and off, but it don't do nothing. It's X-ray. X-ray is what it says.
Oh, you use it to see through walls and stuff. You can see the killer, but you have to wait until it like fully charges.
Oh, well, I don't. How do I know if it's fully charged? Oh, I picked up like a. Oh, wait, I picked up a lockpick.
Where the fuck are we going?
Wait. I can't.
I think it's
Dude, playing with mouse and keyboard sucks. I'm gonna have to go back to the controller. Why are you hiding? Oh god, that's why you're hiding.
Oh god, it's so funny.
Startled. I'm so startled. Oh god, he found me! Oh my god! Oh no! That scared the fuck out of me! Oh my god! No! Fucking scared the shit out of me, man! Oh my god! Woo! Fucking shit, dude! His head popped out of nowhere! Oh god damn! I can't do this. My heart, man! My heart! Oh god! Oh! Ah! No, I can't. Oh god, I can't go on. Oh, I'm dying. I'm dying. Hide. I'm gonna hide under this desk. Oh god. Do that fucking shit, man. Woo. That was a little. Oh, first aid. I need that. Oh, I got a lockpick for that. How do I? Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't like the lock picking on this, but at the same time, it's kind of cool. I kind of like it. You know, it's kind of cool. Oh, I can't heal. I'm hurt, but I can't heal. Cool. Great. Lovely.
This is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, we're gonna go through the comeback here. Do I click this? No. I'm not sure what the E, D, E. We got the generator and it says go this way, and then it's like everything's.
Oh my god, what?
Oh, I get it now.
Oh no! Oh my god, I think he's seen me. Oh no. I'm just gonna open the door. There ain't no way he's seen me. Oh no, it was just baby doll legs. Oh my god, I got startled for no reason. Bro, I'm coming to you because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
It says A289, A280. Oh yeah.
Do I need to carry one of those?
Oh, no, we got one here. We need B245.
Oh, do I need to grab one? Oh no, that's A. Ah, I see. Oh god, there's a fucking bomb! Bro, I'm gonna so fucking die. Can I disarm these? No, you just gotta jump around them. Ah, I see. Bro, I cannot heal. Why can I not heal? F. Oh, F is for my night vision. Ah, cool. Great. This is why I need to play on fucking, controller next. It's like, fuck this shit. Poison bear. Ooh. Can I use that? F. No? How do I use? Oh my god, I don't understand. Oh, right click. I'm a dumbass. Ugh. Hey, I'm not gonna die anymore. Oh, hey, there's somebody in this lobby area. It's a chick. She seems, very angry. Really crazy, like. I don't really know what the. Crush the sex toy boxes. Oh! They're sex toy boxes. Ah. But why do we need to crush those? They seem like they seem like fun times. I feel like we would have like a great time with those if we didn't. Oh god! Oh shit! Oh my god! No! Ow! Ooh, that fucking right in the face! Ooh, that fucking scared the shit out of me. What the fuck? Man, what the hell? Nah, fuck you, bitch. I'm gone. You wish you could find me. You wish. Oh wait, what number was it? Oh, I have B884. B7007. I found it! Oh no! Oh no! It's by me! Oh my god! It's by me! It's by me! There's somebody near me though. Okay, no, the chick's near me. I'm hiding by the box right now. Just wait. Alright, I'm gonna get it. It's right here. Should be right there.
It's that one?
Yeah, it should be right there.
Okay, I got it.
There was two, but she broke one of them.
We can't get through. We gotta find our way around.
What do you mean you can't get through?
Oh, no, we got sent to the conveyor belt.
Yeah.
I think that's what it is. Oh shit, that one guy's here.
Here, I'll distract him. Bitch, what up, bitch? See me, motherfucker. Yeah, you ain't got shit on me, motherfucker. You ain't got. Oh my god, I shut the door on myself. Oh my god, why would I do that? Go get it, Brandon. Oh god! Woo! He's fast! Oh my god, there was like two of them. I mean, they're tripping balls on something, or two I seen. Oh my god, there's another one. Oh my, I'm going down, dog. Oh my god!
Oh, there's multiple!
Yeah, they're everywhere, dog. They're fucking everywhere. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna heal. I gotta heal real quick. There we go. I'm not gonna go down anymore. You get it?
It was on the conveyor belt, so we're gonna head back.
Oh, there's somebody behind us, by the way.
I just gotta get back to the compactor and get it. Well, I didn't mean to go there.
Wait, what does the doll say? Tasty, my seeds. Oh, did you see this? Oh, no. Did you see this? I think you need to see this. Huh. Interesting.
Oh, she's here!
No, bitch, you better step away from him. No, you leave him alone. He is not, no. You will not take him alive. Oh, wow, what is he doing? Oh, wow, ooh, I'm stuck. Oh, no, she's really fucking beating me up, man. Oh, my God, why did I try to protect you? Oh, God. I'm so scared. I'm so startled. I'm startled, man. I'm so startled. Oh, yeah. You know, it's really easy to get away from them, but it really hurts you when you try to run. I'm so fucking dead, by the way. I have, like, no heals. Oh, you can jump over the fire! Oh my god! Not that one! I just ran right through that one! Oh. Hey, well, I think we just seen it. I think we missed it.
Yeah, we gotta grab one combined.
Oh no! Oh, that's right. You pick up the wrong one. It fucks you up, don't it? Oh my god! No, God, turn around! Turn around! Oh no, I thought he wouldn't see me. Oh, I'm dead. Hey, by the way, I'm dead. Oh, I'm so fucking dead. Yeah, he got me. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know what we were doing at the beginning of that one, so it kind of was no help. Oh, she is, ooh. Wait, no, she's giving me a lovey. Oh, no, wait, hold on, no, I thought, no, wait, I thought you were, I thought you were gonna get me off before killing me, not drill me off. Oh, fuck, no. I didn't need dental work. Hey, so, I'm dead, by the way. Ooh, I'm the ghost. Ooh. Hey, don't fuck up. Yeah, that's where I died. See, she stole my fucking face. Wait, you can't revive me. I'm dead. Oh, I guess you can. Huh? Interesting. That bitch is the one that hurt me. There should be many landmines around here because I think I walked over most of them. Oh, well, fuck you too then. What is that? Water can. Oh, you can't hide when you have an object in hand? How do I drop? Oh. I found it. I figured it out. It's right there. I don't know what you're saying. Oh, wait. Alright, I started something. So what do we need? I don't know what the fuck you're saying. It's really hard to hear it in a walkie-talkie, dog. Huh. Oh my god, no! No fucking bitch! Fucking bitch! No fucking bitch! Oh fucking bitch! Oh my god, you got me! Brandon, oh god, you might want to run, Brandon. Oh, I have brought her to you, by the way. Never mind, you're good.
I was thinking of losing your mind.
I think I hate to be a bearer of bad news, but she's coming this way.
I just can't catch a break.
What do you mean you can't catch a break? I can't catch a break. Oh, she's coming. She sees me. Oh, there's two of them, by the way. I hope you know. Ah, oh my god, I'm stuck on a box. Oh no. Oh no! Oh fuck! Ah, fucking bitch! Oh my god, I got fucked up by something. What the fuck, man? Dude, my heart can't handle this.
That doesn't look right at all.
Oh, I lost her somehow. Don't know how. Oh, it's because it's darkness. Oh, they can't see in the dark. No, I can see in the dark. They can't. Like, I was standing right in front of her and she lost me in the darkness. Like, no joke. I wasn't even hiding. Ow! I ran over a landmine. I need to find a... I have a lockpick. I need to find a fucking medkit. find a medkit thing.
I'm so startled.
I know, I'm so startled right now. Oh my god, did you hear that? Did you hear that? I'm so startled. So startled. Oh, I found a medkit. And a dead body. And some bottles. Oh, I have some health. Oh, you have sanity in this game? Well, bro, if you need sanity, I got sanity for you. If you're too startled. I know how it be sometimes, you know, getting too startled now. You seem to
Bro, I just
startled.
can't find the... I put the freaking packages on the conveyor belt, but then I can't find them yet.
Hey, by the way, there's a chick there.
Oh shit, she's right there.
Ah, God, I got stuck to the wall. She can't see in the darkness. She can't see in the darkness. You're good. You're good. She can't see you.
Will you, Daddy? You won't hurt my baby! We are going to get you, please!
Are you fucking kidding? Brandon, no! Brandon! All you have to do is crouch down in the darkness and stay still, and then if they walk through you, they still don't find you. Bro, she walked right through me.
That's not the point. It's the point that we can't complete the task if I can't.
Yeah, but Brandon, immortality, dog. Immortality. You ain't getting startled now. They can't find you.
926.
I know, they really want their sex toys to not die, but I feel like we really need to figure this out, Brandon. I don't know. Why would you do that? Why? Hold on, let me try the other one. Are you just trying to die now? Oh wait, there's another one right here. Oh god. Oh, it's too startled. It startled me too much, dog. Oh god. Too startled. Go on without me. Just go on.
Oh god.
Do it. You got this. Just remember, they walk through you in the darkness. They walk through you in the darkness. Oh yeah, just walk away, why don't you? While your best friend's over here dying. Alright, no, don't even worry about it. I'm not even about to play the fuck out, but it's alright. Oh, what you do not know where I was? It's bullshit. Oh man, I wish I would have died there, because that would have been funny as fuck. Oh man. Okay. No, but for real, if you Damn, you found. Okay.
Yeah, I was just too comfortable.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like this one. I did start up again. I did start up a conveyor belt. Oh, I bet it's a big black dildo. Okay. Okay.
Charge attack!
Where? Oh no, she's right here. It's okay. She's just standing in the doorway.
I finally got it!
She went the other way. She went the other way. We're good. She went the other way, dog.
Okay, E's done. E is done. Okay, we need B.
It's all good, dog.
And one of these packages that will pop on this conveyor belt is the right one.
Dumbass.
Not that one.
Don't worry, I'll try the next one.
This one.
No, not that one. Oh, damn. Okay, hey, don't worry, I'll get the next one.
Okay, you get the next one.
No, not that one. I'm down. Oh, God, I'm down. Oh, God. It was too big for me. It was too big, dog.
Too much of them.
Too many sex toys, dog. Too many sex toys. Can't handle it.
It's just not, it was just the wrong size. Oh, I think you're going. Oh, right there.
All right. I'll distract her. I'll distract her.
Okay, D710. I need D710. D710.
Hey, don't worry. She don't see me. Oh, she's going after you, by the way. Oh, wait, no. You're gone. Oh, you're a long way. You're a long ways away. I don't care. I'm walking through the Woo! Okay, can my guy not grunt for like 5 seconds? Oh no, you're in peril! Oh no, I'm gonna come save you! Oh wow, there's a guy standing there. I see a guy. Don't worry, I got you. I don't even know where you are. Oh, I found you. Hide in darkness. Hide in darkness. They can't find you.
Oh, decent. Thank you. Oh, my memory is so bad. I need D710.
Wow, I swapped the bottle for a thing and it fucking got rid of my bottle. What a...
Sworn there was somebody here.
I don't know what that was. I just took drugs, dog. I just took drugs. Dude, I feel alive, man. I feel alive. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, don't drag me out of my hole! Oh, don't! No! No, that's not a very friendly puppy. You know, you need to really think about yourself, young lady. Young lady, you need to think about yourself. Quit being this way. Actually, old lady actually said, I'm sorry for miss like, you know, communication there. That's my bad. That's my bad. Don't kill me now. Don't kill me. You already knocked me down. I don't know where you are, but oh, she left. She left me here to die. Oh wow, you bitch! You couldn't even finish me off. Yeah, well, I'm down, so. You just need C and B! Or whatever you said. I have my last words. Don't be too startled! Don't be too startled. You got this. As I go. Too startled. Too startled. Heart couldn't take it.
He's dead.
Heart couldn't take it.
What's the number again? 245? Oh yeah, I got 245.
My heart couldn't take it. I got too startled. No, but for real, if you hide in the darkness, like you crouch down in the actual darkness of the rooms of the room that is really dark, they will walk through you, man. They will literally walk through you and they will not find you. So know that for your, like that room right there, if you were crouched down in that room and they were after you, you could actually lose them. So know that. That was something I learned. That is not the right package. Oh wow, that is the right package. She can't see you in the darkness. That's the package right there.
Let's go that way.
Oh, it tracks it? Oh, but I didn't see that on my end. What the fuck? Now you don't see it. I bet you gotta wait a minute. Oh wait, no, it's back on your map again. I see it now.
It's on the wrong conveyor belt. I need to traffic it.
Okay, you gotta wait, Yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know that they actually gave up that they're the right package. I thought you just grabbed the random package. I could have
Into the compactor.
I could have lived so many times. That's not it. Don't grab
I tried to pick it up. Yeah, was it?
No, it wasn't. Look around.
Yes, it was. That was fucking it.
Bullshit. It was not lit up. Look on your map. There it is. See it?
Yeah, because it's still going back around.
Daddy! That man knocked me down!
Oh, well, you know. Where are you at, by the way?
I'm dead. Somewhere.
No, like where?
I'm spectating. You can see my dead body.
No, I can't.
Well, we're close to it. To your right. To your right. That way. Look to your right. Okay, you gotta go. Okay, straight. If you went straight, you would find me. If you went straight, you would find me. Right there. I'm right there.
Into the blueberry patch. Do.
Okay, you get back in the game.
God. Okay, time to die.
Yeah, because he's at least good as a troll.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Darkness!
I'm so sorry.
They can't find me in the darkness.
Well, he's definitely coming for you.
No, he's not, because I'm in the darkness. They can't find me in the darkness.
He's got light.
No, they can't find me in the darkness. Oh my god, he does have light. He is in the same room as me.
Okay, I just need to see.
No, he left.
I don't
He
know
left.
yet.
Oh, Brandon, you just what? He's seen you, Brandon. He's coming after you.
I know, C450.
Oh no, he see me! Oh no, he see me! He turned around! He see me! Oh my god! Oh, I'm glitching! I'm stuck! Oh no! I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. I'm so fucking dead. Oh my god. I fucking got stuck. No, it's alright. I'm startled. I'm startled. I'm in a bucket. There ain't no way that they're gonna walk by and see this open bucket or barrel and see me in it. There ain't no way. Oh, you can peek out of it? Oh, yeah, there ain't no way they see me. Oh, wait, I need to come up, okay. Bro, we need to, yeah, we definitely need to.
I'm almost done. I have the last package.
Okay, good. You're carrying the team here. I am fucking dying. Ah, he's right here. Cool. Oh no. Oh no, man. Oh, not like this. Not like this. No. I got a family, man. I got a family. Oh, you startled me too much. Oh, I was too startled, man. Too startled. I'm down again. I'm down again. He brought me in a corner. There was no way of me getting out. I was stuck behind the I couldn't run. I was stuck. No, he had me blocked in a fucking corner against the gate, in the corner of the gate. So, like, he was in front of me. I couldn't, like, he was body blocked me is what he did. I couldn't do nothing. He body blocked me. It was some bullshit. I did see you walk by. I seen you walk by. Oh, there you are. I see you. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm so dead. Oh
my god, that's so aggravating. I was right there.
I know. You were second point. Damn, I hope you don't die because we're fucking dead if you die.
I don't die. Oh, I'm trying to remember where I saw your body at. Oh yeah, other right here.
Not gonna lie, I kind of want to play some Fortnite just better.
There you go, there's a guy right next to you, by the way.
Oh, interesting. Oh no, I'm stuck on a fucking mannequin. God damn it. Hey, I maybe get too startled again. Just finish this shit.
Just don't die.
Hey, by the way, hey, hi.
Okay, let's finish this, God.
Alright, cool, great, let's go.
Let's get out of here.
Nah, fuck the fire. Just run through it.
Alright. Yeah, he is. Oh God, there's the bad guy.
I can't run. Oh no!
I just didn't realize. Damn it! Oh no, they're open again.
I was so startled, man. That was too much. Look at the amount of blood on me. See how startled I was?
I got A+. We got B- together because he died 3 times.
I got a
Didn't do shit.
Yeah, for real, didn't do.
D
Don't
for
died.
dying.
D for dead. A D for did not get startled.
Oh, that was great.
D for dildo.
Oh, I just unlocked a bunch of shit. What's this?
I don't know. I don't know. That was a weird dream.
Yeah, I think you just experienced death 3 times.
No, more than that, I think. There was like 4 or 5.
Remember, I revived you sometimes.
You did.
Before you died.
I think, yeah, true. I was close to death a few times. I seen Jesus, dog.
Return to the sleep room and try again.
Decontamination. I was too startled. I don't think it's gonna work.
That was hilarious, though. Hilarious and spoke.
That was good. I enjoyed that one. I mean I didn't like the whole puzzle thing though. Like that one actually had me like fucking. I have been drinking too, so.
Yeah, Ma had to like carry us because he's the one that kept remembering the numbers.
Yeah. Wait, who had to carry us? Wait, who carried us?